Okay, so I'm gonna try and make this a quick video just to mainly show you how to put it together, because the first time I tried, I had a little bit of trouble with it, but I love this juicer, and my favorite part is that it fits bigger pieces on here. So if you can see right here, like bigger pieces fit through here. The chute is really big. And then of course you can push down the pieces with this piece. I made another video on another juicer that I got, and the chute was just a lot smaller, and it was a lot more time consuming because I had to cut all the pieces, especially the apples, into tiny pieces to get it down there. And this one I don't have to do that. So that's why I really, really like this juicer. So let's get it together. So first you have, of course, the base, which is this part right here. And then you have this piece right here. So it comes with a little red circle. So you put that down, and there's little grooves right here that you kind of match it up with, and you just stick them in. Done. Then you put this part, stick it in here like so, kind of twist it until it locks in. It's locked in. Next piece is what I had a problem with, because it's kind of confusing. I still don't really get how it just fits in, but it just does. So you just grab it. It's this piece right here. You put the bigger, fatter part down into the red. You put this whole piece right here into the red piece. And somehow it just kind of fits. You gotta squeeze it down. See, it just went down. And you just twist it a little bit, and it's in. That's it, you're done. I was overthinking it because it's just very simple. So there's that. Now you grab the top part and you just match it up. There's a dot on here on this part, and there's a dot on here on this part. You match those parts up right there, and then you just twist it. And now it's locked in there. You heard that beep? It's locked in there. Then you put these little guys, one on this to catch the waste, and then one over here to catch all of your juice. And that's it. Very easy way to put it together. Once you cut the pieces, you, of course, like I said, you just throw them in here. And to push it down, you just use this down to force it down if you have to. That's it. Let's try and use one of the apples in there, so that you guys can see how easy. Okay, so cut it, big piece, still big piece. Put it in, hit forward, and it's going down. See? Super simple. I'm gonna even put the half of the apple in there, push it down. Use my little guy to push it to help guide it. I don't even have to, it's doing it by itself, see? And here's come the juice. There you go. All done. I love it. 5 out of 5 stars. Awesome.